So you have a photo, but it's just way too blurry, and you don't want to spend tons of money on expensive programs. Here is the best solution. Go to upscale.org. This is the best free upscaler I've found. Just head over to download and choose your platform. Then you follow the download instructions. Let's open Upscale. Here's where you upload your image, and just a quick tip. You don't need to change anything in the settings tab. Everything is already set up perfectly. Now this image is really blurry. Even with a small zoom, you can clearly see the low quality. Over here we have all the available models to choose from. But the real question is, which one should you pick? At first glance, they all seem pretty similar, just different names. So, is there really a difference? Well, I've spent hours going through every little detail to figure out which model gives the best results. Here, you can see the outputs from each model. I've rendered them all at 4x, but from a distance, it's hard to spot the differences. So let's zoom in a little more. This is where you can actually start to see the differences. Some models have more intense colors, while others look a bit washed out. After a close analysis, I narrowed it down and ruled out the ones that just didn't deliver good results. In the end, we're left with two strong options, high fidelity and ultra mix balanced. Here you can see a side-by-side comparison, high fidelity and ultra mix. Ultra mix offers more vibrant colors and a stronger overall tone. But if we're aiming for the sharpest results with the least blur, high fidelity is the clear winner, and that's the one I'd go with. Once you've chosen your model, the next step is selecting the upscale level. I personally prefer 4x as the maximum. Going any higher can sometimes introduce artifacts, which can harm the quality of your image. Now just click Upscale and wait a few seconds. And that's it. If you found this helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment if you'd like a more professional behind the scenes tips.